wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a man to get there.
Good day, everyone. You thought I was going to say morning. Well, it's almost noontime. It's October 3rd. We believe it's a Thursday. We're not sure. And we finally got some good weather. Some sunny weather anyways.
For 9 days.
Yeah. It was full blue too. Hasn't been out in like 9-10 days. So we finally got some good weather. I think for the next 4 or 5 days we'll have some really good weather in the 70s, which is beautiful for fall foliage tour.
After the wind and the rain and all the leaves.
Yep.
Bad time last year trying to find it. It was terrible last year.
Right now we're on Middle Run Road. And we'll see where it takes us and what kind of foliage. Look at the doggy sitting on the side.
Not peppers, puppers.
So stay tuned with us, and if we see something cool, we will definitely turn the camera on. If you see some cool foliage, that'll be nice. Here's a pretty view. The corn is turned all brown. If you need any stuff for Halloween, there it is. This is Orlean Trail. Beautiful ride through the countryside. There we go. Aromatherapy along with the wind therapy. I think we found it. Hey! Check out the airplane. Oh, it's coming right at us, dear. Woo! Duck right over our heads. Meow.
Don't stop long enough, huh?
Oh,
It's okay, keep going.
I gotta back up. My baby says I don't stop long enough.
Nope.
We're backing up. Here's the plane. Yeah, with the wind. So you see the plane? I hope it's there. I don't know. Okay, pretty cool. I hope I got it. Well, we got some buffalo. Here we go.
There he is.
He's a big guy.
There he is. He's coming up to the fence. He's like, these are apples.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
He's walking. He's like, I'm on it.
scaring them. Okay. All right. Well, we got a little color, but not much color today. I don't know why. We were getting the color, then it seemed to. We get the.
We got hydrated.
Yeah.
It rained for 7 days.
So the color seemed to just stop. Well, we got a week of beautiful weather coming, so maybe we can get some good foliage in. We have a beautiful goldenrod. That's bright. We're on Oakdale Road in whatever town. I have no idea. But it looks like a neat place. We'll check it out. Okay, this is for Kevin. See, we stopped at the Pickle Barrel and we're gonna check it out. Okay, we'll let you know what it's all about. Hi, babe. Hi. Yeah. Okay. All right, Kevin, this was for you. Well, we went to the pickle place, Pickle Barrel, and checked it out. They got a lot of nice little knickknacks and handcrafted stuff. And yeah, pretty cheap. And we bought a couple dill pickles and a few other little things. Alright, so that was a nice stop. We'll have to come back. They close December something.
6, I think.
6, yeah.
They open back up in March.
All right. So stay tuned for more. We don't know where we're going next. Well, we're on Route 36 in Cook Forest.
Let's get that straight.
Well, we have seen a sign that says Cook's Forest. So we got to take a picture of that and post it. Beautiful day. Home sweet home. Thanks for coming along with us on a short ride. Wasn't much foliage, but we'll get a whole week worth of riding. So stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Don't forget to subscribe.